Hello everyone, welcome to the BCOOSS sewing machine usage tutorial. Let's learn how to thread the upper thread first. Raise the thread spindle and put a spool on it. Put on the thread spindle cover. Pull the thread in counterclockwise. Pass this through the bobbin winder tension disc. Down through the gap and pull it back up as the arrow shows. Go through the take-up lever hole from right to left. Then go through the hole next to the needle clamp screw from up to down. Thread the needle by needle threader through the needle eye from back to front. Pull the thread out about 15 centimeters note. Slide the bobbin cover off. Put the new bobbin in the holder with the thread going clockwise. Hold the needle thread with left hand and right hand turn the handle counterclockwise. Then the needle thread will pick up the bobbin thread and pull it up through the hole under the needle. Separate the two threads. Pull the thread out about 15 centimeters and pull them to the back of the machine under the presser foot. Plug in the AD/DC adapter power cord. Turn the knob to select the desired stitch. Put down the presser foot. Then you can use the power button to select low or high-speed sewing, or use a foot pedal for sewing. Please note that you should not use the power button while using the foot pedal. Ensure that the power button is in the off position. Put a spool on the thread spindle, and then put on the cover. Pull the thread around the bobbin winder tension disc. Put an empty bobbin on the bobbin winder pin. Put the thread through any one of the metal holes on the bobbin. Then push the bobbin to the right to lock the bobbin. Hold on to the thread. Turn the hand wheel 5 to 6 rounds to wind the thread on the bobbin several circles. Cut the thread tail, then turn on the power switch to start winding. When you have enough thread wound on, turn off the power switch to stop winding, cut the thread. Push the bobbin to the left, and take the bobbin off. Disconnect the AD/DC adapter and ensure the machine is turned off. Hold the old needle and turn the needle clip screw counterclockwise. Insert the new needle into the clamp with the flat side. Tighten the needle clip screw clockwise. Lift the presser foot. The presser foot will loosen and fall. Align the presser foot that needs to be replaced with the needle bar and then put down the presser foot lifter. Lift the presser foot lifter again to check if the presser foot is installed successfully. First, you should remove the accessory box. Slide it from right to left. Then raise the 4 legs of the extension table upright. Finally, align the extension table with the sewing machine and push it from left to right. In this way, the extension table is installed. The above is a tutorial on using the BCOOSS sewing machine. Hope this guide made using your sewing machine a breeze. Get started with your creation. Happy sewing!